Bukod sa pag-aalaga ng exterior ng motor mo, mas importante na maalagaan ang makina. Kaya ngayon ay pupunta tayo sa Big Bike Tech Cartimar para magpa-change oil gamit ang Mobil Racing 40. Racing 40 is an advanced full synthetic motor oil that is made for high-performance 4-stroke motorcycles. Saktong-sakto multi-grade oil siya that fits the Z900rs viscosity requirement of 10W40. Kaya tara!
Ayun na. Ito na pala. Hello sir, good morning. Apa. Uy, aircon na. Salamat kay Sir Mikey kasi all goods na. And for our next episode po, magano tayo, i-review natin kung kamusta yung oil. And yeah, sumakto 4 liters yung nilagay para dun sa optimal na measurement. And on our next episode review natin, check natin yung few things like kamusta yung heat, kamusta yung shifting, and everything na oil related. So yeah.
And for now, i-observe ko muna yung performance ng motor with the new oil. And soon, gagawa natin ng review ang motor oil na ito. Again, this is Neo of Neo Blitz Moto. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Very quick episode lang. And introduction to Mobil Racing 40. Salamat!